In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the low beam HID headlight bulb on this Lexus RX350. There will be one in each headlight, and I recommend replacing both at the same time. Let's get started. With the hood open, you'll want to remove some of these plastic covers so that we can gain access behind the headlight. These are held in with some push clips. You'll need a trim tool to pop the center out of them and remove the rest of the push clip. With all of them removed, you should be able to pull some of these plastic panels away. At this point, the procedure for the driver's side is going to be the same as the passenger side. Behind the headlight, this will be your high beam. This is the low beam that we're focusing on. Grab the connector, push the center tab, wiggle it, and pull it off. At this point, this entire ballast will spin and open up. And that right there is what's connected to your bulb. What you want to do now is turn it counterclockwise and pull it out. Now this whole assembly can be moved away. Now press on these springs and unhook them from the assembly. This is going to let go of our bulb. And there it is. Now you want to take your new bulb and you'll see that it's got two cutouts, one on the side, one on the top. Slide this in. If it doesn't go in fully, that means it's not lined up. There we go. Once it's in, you should not be able to spin it. Get this spring clip and reinstall it. Ensure that that's locked in. Bring in the ballast assembly and reconnect it to the headlight. Press it on, turn it to lock it. And of course ensure that it is locked in. And take this and line it up. There we go. That's lined up. And we'll turn it until it's fully locked in. And one last thing we have to do is reconnect it. Make sure that clicks. Reinstall all of your plastic covers. And put back any of the push clips that you had locking them in.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.